와우, 진짜 예쁘다. Everyone, so I just finished setting up the tent. I'm gonna go look for a tong. And Ame, I told them to go by the water and just hang out until I finish setting up. 와, 물 봐. 우리 혜이야 there? 아메 엄마 반갑지도 않은가 봐. 아메, come here. He wants to go with the. 오, 발 시려. 오, 시원해. 와. What time do you want to eat? It's already 2.
지금 먹어.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat my mom's this marinated pork, I think. 죽이지.
응. 밥 잘 됐어?
있어?
꿀맛. 와.
진짜 물에 밀통 강하지 않으나? 너무 맛있어.
So good. 야, 물이
진짜.
진짜 차가워.
My view of the day.
아메. 한번 봐. 보려고.
근데 잡아. It's kind of almost dinner time. We've been just chilling, just going out for a hike. Take Ame back to the water like for the 10,000th time. I think he's getting tired because he's not whining as much. I wanted to see if the tent, like being inside the tent, will calm him down a little bit more. but it ended up being really, really chill and like very cool and very breezy in here. So Ame and I've been just inside and just not doing anything, just laying down. And I wanna take a nap, but I wanna be able to just sleep through the night and yeah, be ready for a new adventure tomorrow. So I'm gonna fight myself to not fall asleep. I don't know if you guys can tell, but inside of our tent is really, really messy because I brought Ame inside and all the sand is like all over the place, and not to mention his hair. But it's fine. It's very nice and breezy.
얼큰하다. 오케이. 정말 간치고 있지. 뭘?
맛있다. 그래. Inside. We brought in our kerosene heater again because it's supposed to be very cold. Not very, but kind of cold at night. Right now, I don't have all the fans going because it's gonna make it hotter. So just have one going. So right now we're pretty comfortable. So we came to this campground at like noon or 1 o'clock, and we did a lot, but I just feel like we spent like a little too long on the site. I don't know, because we usually arrive around 3 and we grab dinner and then do some campfire, and then it's like we're tired. But today I feel like we had a lot of downtime. So note to self, and especially because the weather is not very ideal for Ame. I don't want him to like sit under the sun all day. So I mean, thankfully there were shades. The water was freezing, so he was fine. Yesterday, the other campsite was very quiet. Like we didn't even hear any animals walking around. But here, well, there were a lot of birds, like hawks and all that. But the water sound.
Do you think I got tanned?
I don't know. I know I did, like a little bit. We're definitely like, we got a little bit of tan in today too, so. Good morning. We're making some coffee. So it was a very awkward temperature at night just because it wasn't cold, but it was definitely too cold to like sleep in. So we did use kerosene heater, but it made the tent too hot. In the end, we figured out, like what really worked for us. We kind of had a lot of openings, so the hot air would go out. It was a very comfortable night in that sense, but being at this not operating campsite, I mean, it is open, but you know, there's really nobody here was kind of it was kind of scary for me because we just didn't know where we were exactly. We heard so many car sounds, and I was just wondering, are they coming here or like are they like other side of the campsite? So in that sense, I think it was kind of scary for me.
Wild animal.
Like animals, like whatever. I don't, you know, there were just like birds and I don't know. So
Chicken.
yeah, so I was kind of
Dragonfly.
restless. I couldn't really fall into deep sleep last night just because of that. I wasn't just sure if someone's gonna come by or whatever.
I was scared.
Around like 2, 3, I was like, I have to sleep. So I was like going in and out before. Now I'm just, yeah, I fell asleep, had a good sleep, woke up, and just waiting for the sun to.
Yeah, it's gonna get warm. The sun's up.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy how much the sun makes a difference at night and during the day. It's not even desert here, but I think we're gonna clean up, go for some hike, and then head out to our next destination.
Ame.
Goodbye. See you later.